What's up guys, I'm Ed here from Techieverse. So just a few hours ago, Huawei has released its long-awaited flagship series, perhaps the last interesting flagship phones of 2020, the Mate 40 series, and here are the top highlight features of these amazing but rather confusing flagships. So Huawei Mate series has always been about new different designs, and Mate 40 series is no different. With this new circular camera module that Huawei calls its Space Ring, Huawei yet again brings new design language to the table. With the 88-degree horizon display, it looks definitely amazing. So the last few Huawei flagships have lacked a really important feature, which is dual stereo speakers, because of utilizing the sound display technology. But now with the Mate 40 series, Huawei has solved this problem by putting a loud speaker on the top of these smartphones. Huawei has always been leaders as far as smartphone colors and finishes go, and Mate 40 series is no different, with a new Mystic Silver color that is more like Note 10 Plus's Aura Glow with a matte finish, and two new vegan leather options with yellow and green colors. They look amazing. Defining feature of any smartphone is of course its processor, and as previous years, Huawei has equipped its Mate flagships with their new 5nm Kirin 9000 processors that is world's first 5nm 5G SoC and has a whopping 15.3 billion transistors, which is 30% more than Apple's A14 Bionic, and a CPU that is 10% faster than Snapdragon 865 Plus and 25% more power efficient, and a 24-core Mali G78 GPU that is 52% faster than Adreno 650 found in the Snapdragon 865 Plus with 50% more power efficiency, and an NPU that is 2.4 times faster than Snapdragon 865 Plus with 150% more power efficiency. As we know, Huawei has been known for their insane wired and wireless charging speeds, but the other Chinese companies have not only caught up with Huawei but bested them with their whopping 65-watt wired solutions. But with the Mate 40 series, Huawei bring their A game with a 66-watt charger that comes out of the box and a 50-watt wireless charger. I know, it's insane. For years now, cameras have been the main focus on Huawei's flagships, and the Mate 40 series isn't any different, with the best camera setup and the most powerful on any smartphone. The cameras are good, but basically they're the same found in the P40 series of flagships, with 50 megapixel 1.28-inch main sensor and a 20 megapixel 100-degree cine camera ultra-wide, 12 megapixel 3x optical zoom, 8 megapixel 10x periscope zoom camera, and finally a TOF sensor. But the new here are the front selfie cameras, one which is cine like the ultra-wide on the back, and another 100-degree ultra-wide camera. Last and most interesting and neat feature in my opinion that caught my eyes was the eyes on display, which is basically always on display that's displayed when you look at the phone. This feature is actually very good, and I hope other manufacturers bring it to their smartphones as well. It's useful. And that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked this video then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you guys soon. Peace.